mentor, it's very important for me to foster a collaborative learning experience, not just for the students, but for us mentors and teachers as well. Napaka-importante ng role ko as an art teacher, as a film teacher sa mga students ko kasi tinutulungan ko sila to create and solidify their very raw ideas. I think that's really, really important because students, since they are emerging, since they are still budding artists or filmmakers, so meron silang mga idea that I never had when I was their age. And yun yung kailangan nila at the time. Binibigyan ko sila ng creative freedom and independence to think of the stories that they want to make, of the shots that they want to create, of the editing or artistry na gusto nilang gawin for their films. That's really, really important. When I think of my students, yung mindset ko lagi siyang nagsishift to, I need to be the mentor that I never had when I was a student. So, binibigay ko sa kanila yun.